and gentlemen, welcome you to the CEO Talk Mumbai. This is an initiative by The Talk. My name is Muthu and I'm the founder of Crumbles, an organic snacks brand. The theme of today's session is Rising to the Challenge with Tech Advantage. CEO Talk is a platform to share ideas and insights to transform organizations to create a better and transparent forum for meaningful business and relationships and partnerships. This event is brought to you by Tata Tele Business Services. They are the country's leading enabler of connectivity and communication solutions for businesses. They offer services ranging from connectivity, collaboration, cloud, IoT security, and marketing solutions. Tata Tele Business Services also offers the largest portfolio of ICT services for businesses in India. Now, I would like to start today's session by introducing Mr. Ravi Shankar Gopalan, the Director of Sairam Corporate Advisors Private Limited, Mr. Prasad Salaskar, Managing Partner, Salaskar and Company, Mr. Vinay Kabra, CEO, IIT Solutions Private Limited, Mr. Umesh Gurav, Vice President and Chief Information Security Officer, NCDEX. And finally, we have Meha Lahiri, COO and CFO, ReCity Network Private Limited. It is also my honor to recognize and welcome Janice Das, the Regional Marketing Head for Mumbai Tata Tele Business Services.
Our deep customer engagements have helped us to develop solutions that would enable enterprises to compete and win in their respective business segments. We will continue to play the role of technology enabler by strengthening our portfolio of services, especially in the areas of connectivity, collaboration, SaaS, IaaS, IoT, and cloud, while simultaneously enhancing our network and sales capability reach to cover as much of the enterprise footprint as possible and enable them to do big.
How has this COVID affected your business and its impact on your revenues?
I see, yes, the businesses, the productivity was impacted in the pandemic. But what I feel is now with post this pandemic sessions, the growth, the economy will be, there's going to be a sharp rebound.
I think as a service industry, yes, we were hit, but I was happy that my clients were more satisfied with the solutions which we were able to provide. I was accessible to them even better thanks to VCs and telephones and the other medias which are available and catered to them. So they were very happy that yes, Prasad did deliver, Salaskar Company did deliver in a very different way as others could not or others may have been struggling. Main thing, my biggest assets are my staff. I was happy I could protect them. They were happy. Even today, few of my staff members are not in Bombay. But this technology has helped me put them together and we are still happy that nobody's affected. They're happy working from the comfort of the home and there was 100% delivery.
How do you foresee this financial year closing? Is it going to be on a positive side or is it going to be on the negative side?
Although the fiscal deficit may still be going for a toss for some time, but that is okay globally. And I think that will be a very strong demand-driven growth in the economy.
Yes, we had a bad time in the first half, second half, third half, but thereon, I think we are only going to go on the path of growth.
It will be a fantastic growth as people have already learned to live with limited conditions.
As far as the waste sector and the whole sector of civic tech is concerned, there is a huge potential going forward because all tech solutions which are for city levels, whether it is for waste or whether it is for agriculture or education, is seeing a lot of potential growth.
What kind of a work setup is going to be better or is it going to work for your business? All right. If you think that the office setup is going to work out, give me a left thumbs up. If you think that the work from home model is going to work out, give me a right thumbs up. If you think that the hybrid model is going to work out, give me a namaste. That's a full vote. All right. So the hybrid is going to work, not work from home, not office. It's going to be hybrid. That is going to work for all the 5 panelists here. Thank you so much. What kind of technology adoption you initiated during the lockdown to ensure the continuity of the business?
I migrated to cloud. I set up my own server. So it was a big learning lesson for me also to understand how cloud works, the new technology work, because I'm a typical hands-on man. Being a chartered accountant, a client comes to me, he shows me the books. I'm used to seeing physical papers, and suddenly I'm seeing digital papers.
Actually, we kept our focus on resilience as the foundation because we knew whether it was our employees, our clients for whom we were working on the projects, our frontline workers, or the city officials. It was very important how do we maintain the resilience.
What were some of the biggest challenges while adopting towards this digital normal?
An email which is as comprehensive as possible is circulated amongst the participants, so that even those who have missed some certain points, if they don't want to come back onto it, or if they have realized that they were not in that and they are not understanding that part of that element of discussion, they can give a feedback. This is important. Otherwise, it could lead to problems in terms of misunderstanding or lack of understanding on the part of certain participants in the meeting. I think that is something that one has to keep in mind.
We were all in a situation like Karo ya Maro. Now, we either do it or we die. We had no choice. And we, like necessity is mother of invention. I think people were creative enough to create solutions which adapted. For me, to teach my staff how to use Zoom, I used WhatsApp video calling. So those are the things I think we were able to adapt. Main thing is what I feel gave rise to everybody out here is doing multitasking.
What kind of an enterprise solution or solutions you feel can enhance your productivity?
With proper reminders, timely reminders, task assignment, meetings control, everything is, all of these will be in the digital platform. And everything is recorded, and over 1 or 2 years, once you have a record, you will know exactly how the organization are moving. Analysis of this particular data will help you which people to grow in the organization, how they are going to work. And this particular software which we are building is already at testing with Ultratech Cement. It is a good organization. In fact, their new plant is being done on this, where the task is being assigned in civil, mechanical, electrical, how they go parallelly. Now it is subdivided. That is helping them grow.
How can solutions which are cost effective can ensure the accessibility through technology? How training solutions and training modules can be translated on ground. So it was more important that softwares and solutions which can reduce the distance in the value chain, which can ensure that the value chain together works as an ecosystem, whether it is in the agriculture field, whether it is in the sector of waste, or whether it is in the sector of retail.
I want to understand what was that one thing that worked very well for your business?
It was employees' security.
Main thing was to remain focused on a day-to-day basis and add value to your business, whatever way possible.
Investing into into a culture which ensures a leadership team was a huge advantage as the resilience and as an organization, as a family, that we could see the pandemic.
Personally, I have gained a lot from each one of you, understanding how your industry has turned around, the challenges, and everybody. What I hear is everybody has been positive.
Thank you so much, the panelists, for joining with us. Have a great weekend.